Welcome to ASL Kids Club.
1. Batfish. Batfish use their pectoral fins to walk along the seafloor rather than swim. 2. Beluga whale. Beluga whales are known as canaries of the sea due to their high-pitched calls. 3. Boxfish. Boxfish have a rigid box-like carapace that provides protection from predators. 4. Catfish. Catfish have whisker-like barbels around their mouths that help them detect food in murky waters. 5. Clams. Clams can live for over 100 years and grow continuously throughout their lives. 6. Clownfish. Clownfish have a symbiotic relationship with sea anemones where they find shelter and protection. 7. Crocodile fish. Crocodile fish have excellent camouflage, making them difficult to spot on the ocean floor. 8. Dolphins. Dolphins are highly intelligent and known for their playful behavior and complex social structures. 9. Eagle ray. Eagle rays are known for their impressive leaping ability, sometimes jumping out of the water. 10. Eel. Eels have elongated bodies and can swim backward and forward with ease. 11. Goldfish. Goldfish can live in both freshwater and saltwater environments. 12. Great white shark. Great white sharks can detect a drop of blood in 25 gallons of water up to 3 miles away. 13. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs use discarded shells of other animals for protection. 14. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have been around for millions of years, even before dinosaurs. 15. Lobster. Lobsters can regenerate lost claws, legs, and antennae. 16. Octopus. Octopuses are known for their intelligence and ability to escape from enclosures. 17. Penguin. Penguins are flightless birds adapted to live in the water. 18. Porcupine fish. Porcupine fish can inflate their bodies to deter predators. 19. Sawfish. Sawfish have long, flattened snouts edged with teeth resembling a saw. 20. Seahorse. Seahorses are unique in that males carry and give birth to the young. 21. Sea lion. Sea lions are known for their loud barks and playful nature. 22. Sea otter. Sea otters use tools like rocks to crack open shellfish. 23. Sea turtle. Sea turtles can live to be over 100 years old and migrate long distances between feeding grounds and nesting sites.